Hi, it's Felipe from CloudRail. Today, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use edge functions on your CloudRail.Box. After the initial setup, we need to add a new device in order to attach our edge function. For more information about adding a device, check our documentation for a step-by-step tutorial. You can see on the MQTT broker that the data is arriving. First, we need to create an edge function. Then, write the code the edge function should execute. The code will convert Celsius to Kelvin and remove the extra data. Congratulations, you just created your first edge function. Now, let's attach it to a device. Check the MQTT broker for the already processed data. You can see on the MQTT broker that the data is arriving.